Hello everyone, today I'm going to cover 12 best photography courses on Udemy. Photography is by its nature an art. It's subjective, so what looks good to one person might not to another. But photography can also be objective. This is the beauty of it all. A correct exposure doesn't change within reason, no matter who shoot the photo. Photography isn't easy, it takes a great eye and a lot of time investment. But if you're looking to learn more about photography, there are a ton of amazing photography courses on Udemy which are all on sale right now. I made this list with my favorite ones in mind as well as the best course in each category. So let's get started. Number 1, Photography Masterclass, a complete guide to photography. This 26 hours photography course is the best seller and it is the best online photography course on how to take amazing photos for beginners and advanced photographers. The course contains 65 articles and 41 downloadable resources, and the best part is full lifetime access. You will get to know how to photograph in different scenarios like family portraits, landscapes, aerial, products and wildlife, how to light your subjects with flash and natural lighting, how to make money through photography, editing photos like a pro, how to take better photos using manual settings, and most importantly, how to take excellent clicks with your smartphone. The styles of photography you will learn in this course are portrait, long exposure, landscape, product, low light, street, sports and action, wildlife, architecture, night, DSLR, mirrorless, event and wedding, and smartphone photography. The course is an in-depth course that will teach you every single detail about photography. From beginners to skilled photographers, this course is for everyone. No need for any fancy camera, just join the course. The course has 370 lectures in 41 sections and the course has a rating of 4.7 out of 5. Number 2, Beginner Nikon Digital SLR DSLR Photography. This course has a requirement that you should own a Nikon DSLR. This class applies to all Nikon cameras that have a model number that starts with D. Through this 60 minutes online course, you will enter the DSLR photography world. You will learn how to see your images in a more sophisticated way, just like a professional photographer, how to adjust your aperture, how to add exposure, adjust your shutter speed, and the difference between the depth of field blur and motion blur. In this course, you will learn all those buttons and dials work on your Nikon DSLR. The course has a rating of 4.7 out of 5 with 7 lectures and 1 downloadable resource. Number 3, Photography, Become a Better Photographer Part 1. Are you excited to learn photography? Then this program will do wonders. Any type of camera will be suitable for this course. This course focuses on demonstrating easy way of taking amazing outdoor portraits, providing tips on getting better flash photos indoors, and showing some excellent ways of getting better landscape photos. This 5.5 hours course contains a set of over 50 video tutorials of photography tips and tricks. The program will teach you how to take better photos in the snow, to get blue skies in your photos instead of white skies, control the depth of the field and the block of focus, how to take photos of fireworks, take sharper images, digital cameras and their settings. The course is for beginner and intermediate level photographers. The course has 53 lectures divided into 11 sections and 4 downloadable resources. The course has a rating of 4.7 out of 5. Number 4, Complete Photography Masterclass, 4 courses in 1. This program will provide you with basic and advanced concepts of photography, and you will become a pro in night photography, photo image editing and HDR photography, understanding ISO and shutter speed. In mastering photo editing, you will learn about Adobe Lightroom, working with white balance, digging with color corrections, lens correction, sunglass reflection, working with sharpening and matte, HDR with Photoshop, vintage effects and high key effects. This 2 hours long course in a 2-in-1 package, as it will teach you photography as well as photo editing. The course has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 and contains 37 lectures. Number 5, Photography Beginners DSLR Photography Camera Settings. Are you a photographer and wanted to learn advanced photography? Then what are you waiting for? Enroll for the course. Know how to use a flash gun for indoor photography at night, how to capture lovely portraits and photograph waterfalls by taking this 90 minutes online course. Anyone who is confused about the camera settings on their camera and wants to improve their photography or polish their photography skills can also make use of this course. The course contains 12 sections and 29 lectures. The course has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 and 7 articles. Number 6, Master Photography, complete guide includes workbook. Do you want to impress people with your photography skills? You are at the right place. This is a master course in photography. All the basic and advanced techniques are covered in this 28 hours long video course. It will give all the knowledge about lenses, exposure settings, hard and soft light, camera settings, etc. You'll also learn how your camera's tonal range limitation can affect what you want to create, how to overcome it, the difference between dynamic and tonal range, and how that affects your exposure, and why you should consider the crop factor before buying a lens. You will understand the 4 characteristics of light and how they can affect the quality of images. The course covers 10 composition rules that will improve images instantly and also covers photo editing. The course is for new and semi-experienced photographers. The course has a rating of 4.7 out of 5, 18 articles and 16 downloadable resources. Number 7. Elevate your photography, master composition. The course is a package of study, learn and master. In this 2 hours course, you will study 100 great photographs, explore what makes them successful, learn tools and rules to evaluate your photos and master photography. No prior knowledge of photography is required. The course will teach you timing and moment, light and shadow, color, composition and specific fields of photography like street, food, nature, macro and portraiture. The course is divided into 9 sections with 13 lectures. Grab the course and become a master. The best part is the course has a rating of 4.8 out of 5 and 2 downloadable resources. Number 8. The art of finding light, photography for the artist in you. Spotting great light is a skill. Become a photographer who knows how to find great light. This course is a step-by-step guide to your photography journey. What makes this 1.5 hours course unique is that there are 63 downloadable resources. The course focuses on natural lighting without any flashes, strobes or reflectors. You will learn about 3 types of artistic light, how to use architecture to find light in any city in the world. The course has a rating of 4.7 out of 5 and 8 lectures. Number 9. Learn photography, a simple system for photography starters. This course will take you to the mysterious secrets of photography. You will learn some mysterious rules. The course contains 21 lectures. You will build a solid foundation to take great photographs, setting the shutter speed for the subject matter, explaining how the aperture affects the depth of the field, choosing an ISO setting based on the lighting conditions. The course has 1.5 hours on demand video content, rating of 4.6 out of 5 and 2 downloadable resources. Number 10. Photography, Canon 2000D, 1500D, Rebel T7 camera user course. If you have a Canon EOS 2000D, EOS 1500D, Rebel T7 camera, the course is for you. The 4.5 hours course offers 17 exclusive videos about the modes, tabs, autofocus, filters and flash, exploring the shooting modes and effects, and contains 19 lectures and 16 downloadable resources. The course has a rating of 4.8 out of 5. Number 11. A masterclass in photography. Be a confident photographer. What made you come here? You are watching this video, which is enough to let us know about your photography passion. Don't waste more time. Join this course and become a professional photographer. You will learn techniques like manual exposure settings, semi-auto exposure, creative use of focal length, autofocus mode, white balance, qualities of light, how to take sharp images every time, still life photography and abstract photography in this 8.5 hours long video course. The best part is the course has 98 lectures with 13 downloadable resources. The course has a rating of 4.8 out of 5. Number 12. Photography is Easy in English by Vishal Diwan. If you want to make your photography hobby or career, this 5 hours video calls will surely help you. The course has 43 lectures of mentoring, art, photography, studio lights, camera menu, outdoor live model shoot, which camera to buy and which lens to buy. The best part is the course has a rating of 4.9 out of 5. So, with this we end our research on 12 best photography courses available on Udemy. We hope you were able to understand more clearly about them and opt for the one which suits you the best. Wish you happy learning.